Here is the shadow puppet stage. It is just a box that I cut a square out of the front and just put a piece of paper. It's just a piece of white paper there. I went and took the flap and did it up here so that it was a little fancier, but you don't need to do that. And then there is a hole cut in the side, so then you can reach in with your shadow puppets. And then in the back, there's a hole where I clamped a light. So then, when I turn on the light, it makes it bright. So I had put a scene for the Three Billy Goats Gruff. I just taped that up in there, so when the light shines through, it can't pass through the scenery that I did, and so that shows up nice and well. Then I have my shadow puppets. These ones are a little more elaborate, that I get kind of fancy with the knife, and I just cut them out of black cardstock and put them on sticks, just your regular wooden skewers, and taped them on. You could also do some simpler shapes. Here I have a butterfly, a snail, and then when you put them in your through the hole, I put it in here, and so when it's farther back you don't see it so much, but the closer you move to the paper, now we see that shadow of the fish under there, or maybe here is a duck crossing the bridge. There's the snail, nice and slow. So they are right up against the paper. And so they are just simple things that have been cut out and attached to a straw or a skewer.